Hello everyone, in this video how to adjust table size in Google Docs. Let's begin. First table, insert table, go to insert table and insert your table column and rows. Click and insert it. I already insert to this table, then use manually, select border, size, column and perfectly adjust table size. Select table, right click on your mouse, table options and see this table, column, row, cells, top, middle, bottom. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.